This is the symbol of resistor. It is abbreviated as R. Its units is ohms, OHM. It is used to resist the flow of current. The second symbol here is of a variable resistor. The resistance offered in the circuit can be varied or changed in this type of resistor. The third symbol here is of a capacitor. A capacitor is an electrical device used for storing electric charge and energy. Its unit is farad, F-A-R-A-D, farad. The fourth symbol here is of an inductor. An inductor stores energy in the form of magnetic field when electric current flows through it. Its unit is Henry, H-E-N-R-Y. The fifth symbol here is of a switch. It basically is an on and off device. It makes contact once and breaks again when required. The sixth symbol here is of a fuse. A fuse is an electrical safety device that protects the circuit from overcurrent by melting, thereby stopping or interrupting the current. The seventh symbol is of a diode. A diode is a semiconductor device that acts as a one-way switch for current. It allows current to flow only in one direction and restricts the flow from the opposite direction. The eighth symbol here is a Zener diode. A Zener diode allows current to flow even in the reverse direction, unlike simple diodes. The ninth symbol is of a NPN transistor. A NPN transistor has one P-type material between two N-type materials. The 10th symbol is of a PNP transistor. A PNP transistor has one N-type material in between two P-type materials. The 11th symbol is of a SCR, Silicon Control Rectifier. An SCR is a solid state device that controls DC voltage. The 12th symbol is of a transformer. A transformer is a device to increase or reduce the voltage of AC current. There are two types, step up and step down. The 13th symbol is of a battery. It is a chemical energy source which gives DC current to the circuit. The 14th symbol is of a variable DC supply. In this, the value of DC supply offered can be varied or changed. The 15th symbol is of an AC supply. It is denoted as AC, alternating current. It is shown in sinusoidal waveform because alternating current is sinusoidal in nature. The 16th symbol is of ground. Ground indicates that the end is touched to the ground as a pathway to excessive current. The 17th symbol is of a motor. Motor is an electrical device which converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. AC and DC motors both are widely used in electric installations. The 18th symbol is of an ammeter. Ammeter is a device to measure the current flowing in the circuit or at its two ends. Its unit is ampere. The 19th symbol is of a voltmeter. A voltmeter is a device to measure the voltage across its two ends. Its unit is volt, V-O-L-T, volt. The 20th symbol is of a lamp. A lamp can be used as an indicating device used in a circuit to check the circuit's continuity.